Welcome back. Today we'll see the unboxing video of Intel DC 3700. This is a DC data center uh, grade SSD and very good for TBW, which is high, and it can last a long time in case of using in high data writing environments, including NAS, which is network attached storage. So let us unwrap it. This particular model has been there in market since very long and very reliable in terms of uh, multiple writes per day. This is a 400 GB version, and there is 200 GB as well as 800 GB also widely available in the market. Thanks.